We started Fromanteel in 2009 to create an understated, high-quality, yet affordable watch. Our passion for timeless design led us to build a company with a tremendous following in the last 10 years. Now, we are excited to take the next step forward and welcome you aboard our company, our dream. We want to expand and introduce our collection of watches to the rest of the world, all at a fair price. Watches that we ourselves would like to wear.
Our designs are understated in nature. We believe a watch should complement the wearer's outfit and not dictate it. The clean designs and high-quality materials are distinctive features of a Fromanteel watch. While our watches are designed in Amsterdam, the assembling and quality control are done in our Swiss atelier in Bienne. Switzerland has a long track record in manufacturing high-quality, luxurious watches. We use sapphire glass to showcase the beauty of the dials. It is scratch-resistant and made to last. The case is made of premium stainless steel, known for its strength and corrosion resistance. Lastly, there are our straps. They are made of fine calf leather with a beautiful natural grain and soft finishing. All straps are easy to remove by switching them out using our quick release system.
We want to see our watches on the wrist of many men that are sure to enjoy them. We need your help to expand the company to the future. As an investor in Fromanteel, you will take pride in being part of this dream we set out some 10 years ago and help us reach new heights in the near future.